Hello, in front of me I've got Dacia Duster key fob. In this video I'll show you how to open it to access the battery. In the beginning, prepare screwdriver. Now, take a look at the top of the key fob and remove this screw. Once the screw is removed, prepare another tool, for example something like this, with hard but thin end. Insert it here and open the key fob. Here we've got the access to battery. Now, to remove the battery, you can use something like this or flat screwdriver. Insert it from this side and lift up the battery. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.